Bauchi State. Let me start, sir, by thanking you and by extension all the senators here present and those of them that are outside doing other jobs. You may recall that 1 week exactly after our inauguration last year, Senator Sekibo brought up this issue of what is happening in the Northeast. And we all debated it. Thereafter, Senator Gaya and those of us from the Northeast advocated for the establishment of this commission. To the glory of God today, we are on the final note to the establishment of the Development Commission. I have a passionate comment that I'm going to make on clause 1, dealing with the site of the headquarters of the Commission. It has never happened that the epicenter of the problem is located in a different place, and the administrative headquarters of the Commission, that is supposed to be a succor to the people, is located 500 kilometers away. Your Excellency, I was part of the public hearing on this bill for the 2 days throughout. The chairman can testify to that. There is nowhere the stakeholders from the Northeast that were all there that canvassed for siting of this headquarters in Abuja. Borno elders, comprising of about 7 former ministers, former ambassadors, permanent secretaries, were saying that Maiduguri is the epicenter, so it should be the headquarters because that's where the problem lies. Yobe made a case. Then my people from Bauchi State made a stronger case that I want to restate it here. We said that since there is lack of confidence for people to try now to go to the epic center to live, they have to resort to living at other places that is more secured, that is more harmonious, that has certain conditions like Bauchi. Bauchi should be made the headquarters. If you look at it, I will take you back to historical excursion, Your Excellency. Some of us here may not believe it or may not know that Bauchi was the first headquarters of the defunct northeastern state. But because of elitist problem at that material time, it was shifted to Maiduguri. Secondly, if you look at the present situation, sir, I have told you, Bauchi State now houses most of the elites that are trying to say that let us come to Abuja, either from the North Central or from the Northeast itself. Secondly, if you look at the degree of infrastructures that some of you will have visited Bauchi, you will discover that that is the best place for the Commission to be cited. There are certain things in security balance that we call complementarity. Bauchi has an airport. Maiduguri has an airport. Yola has an airport. Gombe has an airport. But if you look at it, the biggest airport among those 4 ones is in Bauchi. If you look at it, there is an Air Force base in Maiduguri that has been overrun. There is an Air Force base in Yola that has been overstretched. There is an Air Force base now in Bauchi. The essence of those authorities that establish that Air Force base is to ensure that there is unity and coordination in terms of command, control, and operation, either from the Air Force base that is overstretched in Yola, or from support base in Makurdi, the tactical headquarters, or from Kano, where there is another Air Force group, or from Jos. Lastly, Your Excellency, if Bauchi is made to be the headquarters, we have basic infrastructures in terms of accommodation, in terms of housing, in terms of peace and stability and other things. So I do not subscribe, sir, that the headquarters be taken out of the Northeast. If Bauchi cannot get that headquarters, then Gombe will be the next central area that is closer to Borno, closer to Bauchi, closer to Yola, closer to Taraba, closer to Adamawa, because it shares boundaries with all those states. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Senator Babakaka.
Your Excellency, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues,